Hey editors, do you want to make a microwave edit like this? So you are at the right place. So, let's start cooking. Generate beats. Set clips according to beats. Go to Speed Graph and select Custom. Make the left dot 1.0x and make the right dot exactly 3.9x. Add one keyframe in the start and one in the end. Zoom in on the last keyframe. Select Graph Cubic out. Copy the clip. Reverse the copied clip. Go to Speed Graph Custom. Do the opposite of the Speed Graph. Select Graph Cubic in. Do the same process with all the clips. So that's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials and edits. See you in the next video.